Welcome to Feature Teacher, presented by Thomas Buick GMC in Cobourg. Throughout this series, we will be demonstrating several industry-leading features within our Buick and GMC lineup. This 2020 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali is equipped with the remote window operation function. This video will demonstrate how to optimize your vehicle's capabilities through the use of this very convenient feature, which is also available across several other models in our Buick and GMC lineup. To begin the activation process for this feature, start by powering on your vehicle's engine. Next, enter the Settings menu and select Vehicle. Scroll down until you find Remote Lock, Unlock, and Start. Select that and then scroll down once more until you find the Remote Window Operation selection. Turn this on and you'll be ready to use this feature. You are now able to use your key fob to lower all windows. First, press and release the unlock button, and then hold it until you see all 4 windows drop. This feature is very useful on a hot summer day to allow full ventilation prior to entering the vehicle.